Welcome to Globe Motors Blackburn, the premier RAC approved used car dealer in the Northwest. Every vehicle we offer is carefully selected, professionally prepared, and comes with complete peace of mind as standard. All of our cars are RAC approved, meaning each one undergoes a full 82-point RAC approved inspection carried out by our own RAC approved technicians right here on the site. Every vehicle includes 3 months RAC warranty, 12 months RAC breakdown cover, and is fully HPI clear for your confidence. We take pride in delivering quality vehicles that you can rely on, with preparation standards that go above and beyond. At Globe Motors Blackburn, it's not just about selling cars, it's about making sure you drive away with total confidence. Here we have an amazing, well-kept 2015 Range Rover Evoque 2.2 SD4 Dynamic, finished in the wonderful Firenze Red. This diesel automatic 4-wheel drive model has done 70,239 miles, which has been fully verified by Vosa and HPI. The service history is the strong selling point on this one. It comes with 10 service stamps, including 4 Land Rover main dealer stamps, giving buyers plenty of reassurance that it's been properly maintained. The Cambelt has also been replaced at 44,000 miles, and it's also had a full service at 66,000 miles. The MOT is valid until March 2027, but it can be renewed upon request. Spec-wise, this Dynamic has plenty going for it. The panoramic glass sky lounge roof helps flood the cabin with light, giving the interior a much more open and premium feel. You also get the Meridian surround sound with Dolby Pro Logic and DTS Neo 6, so the audio setup feels properly high-end. Parking is made much easier with the reverse camera and front and rear parking sensors with parking aid alert, while the self-parking features add even more convenience when manoeuvring those tighter spaces. Other highlights include side steps, wireless phone charging, traffic sign recognition, lane departure warning, satellite navigation, Bluetooth with Bluetooth audio, electric rear tailgate, cruise control, dual zone climate control, auto high beam assist with xenon headlights, heated front leather seats which are electric and have the driver memory seat option, electric folding mirrors, heated steering wheel with paddle shift controls, and 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. For extra peace of mind, this Evoque comes with 2 remote central locking keys, 3 months RAC nationwide parts and labour warranty, and 12 months RAC breakdown cover. Customers can also ask our staff at Globe Motors Blackburn about extending the warranty for even longer term peace of mind. If you're looking for a vehicle that has been prepared to the highest standards, then this is one not to miss. Here at Globe Motors Blackburn, all of our vehicles are displayed in our purposely adapted indoor showing room, allowing you to view all of our stock comfortably, whatever the weather. We offer a full range of finance options tailored to suit you, and every vehicle is presented by our RAC approved team, ensuring the highest levels of quality and preparation throughout. If you're not local, we also offer nationwide delivery and can provide a full remote walkaround via WhatsApp, so you can view the vehicle in detail from wherever you are. For more information, to reserve this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, get in touch with our team today. Globe Motors Blackburn. Quality vehicles prepared properly.